becoming a cold water diver. Warm water diving. Often referred to as the easy diving. We're constantly referred to as resort divers. And a lot of times that's true. Comfortable temperatures, clear waters, amazing critter encounters. So, how do we, the quote-unquote resort divers, become cold water divers? Let's get to it. First, accept that it's cold. We've all been that diver. We get it. You're cold. Sack up. Get a good beanie, parka, or if you want to be super dramatic about it, car heater for after your dive. Get used to the exposure suits. Whether you go for a wetsuit or a dry suit, there's going to be a whole lot more suit. Let's do this. It's so dry.
2 hours later.
I feel like the Michelin Man. Note to self, bring strap extension. This wetsuit is so thick. And along with that, weight to get you down. Is this really necessary? That means you gotta get fit. You're gonna be carrying a lot of weight, and probably walking or swimming quite a lot too. Your days of concierge diving are on hold. Become a navigation expert.
I think I'm lost. Maybe it's right here?
Navigation starts from behind the wheel and/or computer screen.
Think I'm in the right spot?
Then comes the fun part, locating the dive site and making a good dive plan. Or at least fake it till you make it. It's time to be self-sufficient.
Well, that's a no. Better luck next time. Having a toolkit would have saved my dive day today. What to do?
No more hand-holding from your dive instructor or dive master. You need to plan your dives and dive your plan. Understand and trust your compass, especially in low visibility. Speaking of poor visibility, you'll need to reset your expectations. Remember when this was considered a bad viz day? Well, now this is actually a really good viz day. Get ready for some strange creatures, great laughs, and solid memories. Let's go diving.
I hope you guys enjoyed this silly little video. Really, I do love diving in California. Some of my favorite dives have been right off the coast of California. I just want to do a quick shout out to Depth Perceptions in San Luis Obispo. They hooked me up with my tank and my weights and, get me right back in that cold California water. So thank you guys. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Give this video a big ol'
thumbs up.
And comment below if you'd like to see more of these kinds of videos from us. Make sure to check out some of our other videos on our channel, and we will see you in the next one. Let's go diving! Let's go diving. Vamos a bucear!
Lahat dan sugal teman.
Kom ook duiken.
Ayaw menyelam.
Let's go diving. Let's go diving. Let's go diving.
Lass uns tauchen gehen.
Lego dive.
Allons plonger!
Diving ishimashou.
Let's go diving.
Andiamo a fare un'immersione.
Lego dive.
Allons faire la plongée sous-marine.
Vamos a bucear.
Let's go diving.